Good evening to you, dear listeners out there. This is Obinwannem News Hour. Today, Friday, the 10th of December, 2021. I am Nwakama Onyechi. The first headline for this evening, again, suspected gunman murders Imo monarch, dumps body in Market Square. There is palpable tension in the Njaba local government area of Imo State following the murder of the traditional ruler of Ata Ancient Kingdom, Edwin Azike. Reports gathered by Obinwannem News noted that his corpse was found at the market square in the community on Friday morning after he was abducted on Thursday. Earlier on Thursday morning, the traditional ruler of Mbutu Ancient Kingdom in the Abo Mbise local government area of the state, Damian Nwigwe, was abducted from his palace. A family source who pleaded anonymity confirmed the development to our correspondent, saying that 4 persons were shot dead on Thursday in the community after the monarch was kidnapped. He listed some of those shot dead as Ike Oduozo, a 17-year-old apprentice, and one Lady Dominica, and another whose name could not be ascertained as of the time of filing this report. He said Azike's body was dumped at the market square and was discovered by the villagers this morning. Economist warns federal government to prevent another lockdown over Omicron variant. That's the second headline. Economic experts on Friday in Lagos advised the federal government to avoid another round of lockdown of the economy due to the new Omicron COVID-19 variant. The experts told the news agency of Nigeria that protecting lives was very important, but the protection of livelihood was also key and should be factored into the government's response to Omicron incidents. Akpan Ekpo, a professor of economics and public policy at the University of Uyo, Akwa Ibom, urged the government not to consider any form of lockdown now, so as not to stop economic activities. He added that the virus has come to stay, hence, urged that scientists should be funded to develop vaccines, reliance on developed countries. He advised the government to insist on vaccination for all, but must ensure that the vaccines are available. To the third headline, Nnamdi Kanu case resumes in Abia, heavy security presence despite court orders. Despite the court order to the contrary, there was heavy security around the premises of Abia State High Court, Umuahia, on Friday morning as the court resumes hearing on the suit filed by the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, against the federal government over his rendition. Kanu had, through his special counsel, Mr. Aloy Ejimako, filed 5 billion naira suit against his rendition from Kenya and contests the legality of his prosecution by the federal government as there was no due process in his rendition from Kenya. He, among other things, demands that the court should declare his trial illegal and that he be taken back to Kenya from where he was renditioned. Kanu also seeks that the Army Police and the Department of State Services be stopped from harassing or arresting him. Meanwhile, the trial judge, Justice Benson Anya, had during the last hearing ordered security agents to stop blocking roads leading to the court premises or causing unnecessary tension in the environment over the trial. But despite the order, Ikot Ekpene Road leading to the High Court premises was cordoned off by heavily armed police personnel at different points. To the first headline this evening, explosion hit central Mali, 7 UN peacekeepers killed, 3 injured. 7 United Nations peacekeepers were killed on Wednesday when a logistical convoy struck an explosive device in central Mali, the UN mission MINUSMA said. The initial toll is 7 dead and 3 seriously injured, it said on Twitter. The incident happened in the Bandiagara area in the Mopti region as the convoy was heading to Severe from Douentza, it said. The casualties were members from the Togo contingent of MINUSMA. UN Chief Antonio Guterres strongly condemned this heinous attack. His spokesman Stephanie Dujarric said in New York. He called on the Malian authorities to do their utmost best to identify those responsible and bring them to justice. The next headline this evening, Army arrests vigilante leader accused of aiding bandits in Kaduna. The Nigerian Army said it has arrested a top Kaduna-based vigilante alleged to be working with bandits terrorizing the state and its environs. On December 9, 2021, members of the Civilian Joint Task Force in Kaduna State staged a protest over the arrest of their commander, Aminu Sani, popularly known as Bolu. Acting Director, Defense Media Operations, Brigadier General Bernard Onyuko, who confirmed the arrest and said that the troops of the Nigerian Army attached to the Operation Thunder Strike and Well Punch arrested Bolo for allegedly aiding banditry. Onyuko said a bandit arrested on December 3, 2021 at Paka community in Igabi local government area of the state told the military that Bolo was aiding banditry. According to him, the general security situation in the Operation Thunder Strike, Well Punch, theaters was relatively calm within the period in focus, adding that a few incidents of security concern were recorded.